for today's new video, we are learning a line dance. It's a beginner line dance. It is a 32 count, 4-wall line dance with 1 restart on the 3rd wall. So before we get into the line dance, I'm going to show you guys a demonstration of it so you can see what it looks like, and then we will break it down. And of course, if you guys happen to like today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Okay, without further ado, let's get dancing. Let's get into it. So you're going to start with a stomp. You're going to stomp with that right foot. Let's try it. Stomp. Good. Now you're going to use your left foot, and that left foot is going to do a scuff. So what a scuff is, you're just using your heel of the foot and nothing else. Just the heel. So I'm going to face the front for this part actually so you can see what my foot does. So I stomp with that right foot. 1, 2. Those are the counts. Again, try it with me. 1, 2. Now you're using your left foot, and you're going to scuff like I just said, and you're going to take it from right to left. So around. So we stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, left foot. Okay, so going back to where we were, we stomp for 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Next part. I'm going to move back just a bit. You're going to take 2 steps forward, and you're going to go right, left. So you're going to do right, left. So as you saw what I just did, I kind of did a little bit of a zigzag. It's kind of what you want to do as well. So going from the top, we stomp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the steps are right, left. So just a little bit of a zigzag. Good. Taking it from the top, and then we'll add on. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to kick with that right foot. Kick. Now it doesn't need to be a high kick. It can be a low kick. Whatever kick you feel like doing, you do that. You're going to kick with that right foot. Kick, and then step right, left. So kick, right, left. Kick, right, left. Kick, right, left. One more time. Kick, right, left. Awesome. Whole thing from the top. And 5, 6. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, next part, you're going to do 2 hips to your right. You're going to step that right foot out. You're going to go 1, 2. Good. And then you're going to do the same thing to the left. And 3, 4. So again, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 hips to the right and 2 hips to the left. Good. Let's try it from the top. And 5, 6. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From here, you're going to do 2 half turns. So you're going to bring that right foot in front, and you're going to turn to your left. Turn, stop. Now you should have your left foot in front. Now we're going to bring our right foot in front again and do another half turn, turning to our left. Turn, stop. So try that again. We step on that right foot, half turn, and half turn. So going from the 2 hips to the right, 2 hips to the left. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Whole thing from the top. And 5, 6. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Next part. You're going to stomp with that right foot. And I want it to be a nice stomp. So you stomp 1, 2. Okay, next part. You're going to do a half turn, turning to your right. So then you're going to stomp with that left foot. 3, 4. So try it again with that first stomp. We stomp with that right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right foot, left foot. Let's try it again. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to stomp with the right foot again. 5, 6. we're going to take it back to where we were, turning to our right, stepping on that left foot. Stomp 7, and then you're going to bring that right foot in on 8. So let's take that new part from the top, nice and slow, from the new part. Ready, and we stomp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp 7, bring the right foot in on 8. Let's try it again. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, whole thing from the top, and then we'll add on. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next part, which is also the last part, you're going to bring that right foot back. You're going to step right, and then you're going to heel with your left foot. Heel. So toes are up, heel is down with that left foot. So again, right foot comes back, left foot heels down. So again, right, left, and then you're going to step left, right. So try that again. It's right, left, left, right, and then you do it again. Right, left, and then from here you're going to step on that left foot, and you're going to do a quarter turn to your left, scuffing with your right foot, just like we do in the beginning of the dance, and then scuff. So we make that quarter turn to our right, and scuff with that right foot. So going from the new part, and we brought our right foot in, we end here, we step right, left, left, right, right, left, step on the left foot, and then scuff with the right. Going from the same part, we just finished the stomp, we bring the right foot in, now we step right, left, left, right, right, left, step, scuff. So trying that with the counts, we finish here on 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would start the dance again on a new wall. So let's take the whole thing from the top, and then we'll try it on the new wall. Okay, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so new wall, same dance, and also there is a restart on the third wall, which I will show once we get there. But here we are, new wall, same dance. Let's try it again. Starting with that right foot with the stomp. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're at the third wall. So this is again where the restart comes in. So I'm going to show you guys, but let's go from the very top. So new wall, same dance, but with a restart. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And this is where the restart comes in. So here we go from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you would keep going. So once you get to the third wall, you have 8 counts, and then you do the restart. So let's try it again from the very top, and then just keep going. Okay, and 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, Again, new wall, same dance. We'll run it 2 more times. One on this wall, and then one where we started off last time on that wall. Okay, here we go. Going from the top, and 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, last time, right where we started off. Going from the very top. And 5, 6, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's new line dance. If you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out that link below. And if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the new year. Bye!